This is Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano. This is a very short video on Chopin's Waltz in A minor, and I just want to show you how to make the pedal on the trills and grace notes even cleaner. So let me just show you measures 3 and 4, and then you can apply this technique to the whole piece, all right? So generally we would pedal every beat, pedal, 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 and then pedal. Pedal, 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 pedal. However, if you want this grace note to really come out, you are going to do a little bit more nuanced pedaling. And it's going to look like this. So we're going to keep the first pedals the same. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Now, when you play the first note of the grace note, you're going to lift up the pedal, move your left hand down to C. So there's going to be a moment where there's no pedal. Pedal, pedal. So quickly, that sounds like this. Do you hear how that cleans that up? So please take that, apply that to other spots where you have grace notes or trills in this piece, and those grace notes and trills will really sparkle. Thank you for watching. I am making a full, complete, comprehensive tutorial on this piece. It's going to include all the basics, notes, fingering, rhythm, and then it's going to include a ton on pedal, dynamics, articulation, rubato. So it's going to be very comprehensive. This is going to be for purchase. So please let me know in the comments if that's something you want me to reach out to you personally about. As always, thank you for watching.